Hello, we are Group 10 and this video is about the use of co-products and waste from the food industry, and we are going to focus on co-products obtained from different fruit peels. Fruits are low-calorie foods composed mostly of water and have three main parts: pulp, seed, and peel. Although the peel is residual, it has valuable uses, such as the production of pectin, substrates, compost, citrus flowers, essential oils, and beneficial bioactive compounds, such as fiber and polyphenols. In the food industry, various fruits are used for using, which generates considerable amounts of waste that affect the environment when disposed without a prior treatment. In addition to use and pulp, fruit peel is used to obtain vegetable oil, fiber, and essential oils, which are important in the industries such as food, agronomy, perfumery, and pharmaceuticals. Food byproducts, including fiber products, can be obtained from fruit peel waste. Insoluble fiber is obtained mainly from the cell wall of plants and fruit peels.
In this study, the percentage of lipids and fiber obtained from different fruit peels such as orange, grapefruit, melon, and papaya was evaluated. The fruits berries used for the analysis were obtained from recipes provided by food stores located around the Faculty of Nutrition of Veracruz University. A cookie was made with fiber added from the peels of each type of fruit. Cookies with fiber extracted from peels of melon, orange, grapefruit, papaya, and finally a cookie with a mix of the four fruits. An acceptability evaluation was carried out which showed the cookie with fiber extracted from orange peel as the most accepted. For this reason, from now on this video, we refer to the process of this product. In addition, orange peel was found to have the highest fiber content.
Orange peel has 1.7% of crude lipids and a total solids content of 27.9%. These properties make it an excellent result for obtaining fiber in fruits as a use of waste. It also has high performance and allows the valorization of the subproduct. The orange peel cookies are composed of wheat, chocolate powder, walnut, milk, vanilla, stevia, and 20% of fiber extracted from the orange peel. They are free of added sugar and high in fiber. It is important to note that these cookies have allergens, being wheat, nuts, and milk. A study carried out at the University of Veracruz analyzed the acceptability of the cookies with the orange peel. The results showed that 75% of the panelists stated that the cookie was pleasant, and the other 25% that it was slightly pleasant. The presentation of these cookies is a box of 15 cookies, each weighed approximately 8 grams.
Comparing the cookies made with orange peel flour to a commercial product like the Kala cookies and the Nutra Food cookies, we can see a recurring theme in promoting the consumption of sugar-free products. The fiber contents of the cookies made with orange peel had a higher value than those two products. Something to look out for would be the flavor of the cookies not affecting the acceptance from the consumers. All these products don't use sugar and they are respectively labeled sugar-free. If we compare this cookie with another cookie made with orange peel flour, we can see that this co-product does increase some important nutritional values like the total dietary fiber and bioactive compounds. The cookie with orange peel flour, elaborated by Zaker and collaborators in 2016, had an increase of 62% in total dietary fiber from a simple 5% substitution of the total wheat flour.
Various types of fruits are used as inputs for agroindustry, mainly to obtain juices. For this process, what is used is the pulp, leaving the peel as the main waste, since it is not considered useful in this process. Such is the case of the orange, where 45% of the weight is the peel. The industry generally gets rid of this and does not give it an adequate treatment, which promotes decomposition and causes damage to the environment. On the other hand, these wastes can be used given them a value in generating an economic benefit while avoiding an environmental problem. That is why we present this revaluation option.
The process flow starts with peeling and harvesting. First, fresh orange are selected without chemical treatment. Then the orange must be peeled in order to obtain the peel. Use a citrus peeler or a sharp knife to remove the orange peel. Removal of foreign matter. Inspect the peel to make sure there are no traces of pulp or other foreign matter. If you find unwanted parts, cut them off with a clean knife. Washing and disinfection. Place the peels in a bowl and wash them thoroughly under running water to remove any remaining dirt. You can soak them brief in water with a few drops of white vinegar or baking soda too. Cutting the peels. Use a sharp knife to cut the peels into strips of the desired size. You can opt for thin strip or large piece. Dehydrating the house. Preheat your oven to a low temperature around 50-16 degrees Celsius. Place the cascara a piece on a baking sheet, making sure they are evenly distributed. And leave the oven during a year to allow moisture to escape. And bake the shields for several hours, shaking them regularly to make sure they not burn.
Following the process flow, the next step is crushing and sieving, where the husk is crushed and sieved to obtain the fiber. We must make sure that the particle size is less than 100 microns. Afterwards, we incorporate wheat flour and the fiber powder that we obtained. Then, addition of ingredients. Ingredients such as chocolate powder, walnut, milk, vanilla, and stevia are added. The fiber represents 20% of the mixture. Then we proceed to the homogeneous mixing for 5 minutes, and we let the dough rest to form the cookies.
Okay, preheat the oven. Make sure the oven is clean. Set the oven temperature to 150 degrees Celsius and wait for it to reach the desired temperature. This will ensure that the cookies bake evenly. Baking. Once the oven has reached 150 degrees Celsius, insert the tray with the formed cookies. Bake the cookies for 20 to 30 minutes. Check the time to avoid overbaking. Cooling. When removing the cookies from the oven, let them rest on the tray for a few minutes to firm up. Transfer the cookies to a wire rack and let them cool completely to at room temperature. Packing in boxes. While the cookies are cooling, prepare the packing boxes that hold 15 cookies. Place each cookie in the box carefully, making sure they are well distributed. Each cookie should weigh about 8 grams. Storage. Once the cookies are packed, store the boxes in a cool, dry place to preserve their freshness and flavor.